My name is Moises Huerta. I'm the branch manager at Eagle Fence in Gurnee, Illinois. I have a young group of customer service guys. I got my two sons working here, customer service. My brother does the shipping and customer service. I have Sylvia that does customer service too. So they're very young and they're learning the product. So they seem to enjoy the industry that we're in. I like to use the product that is made here in the U.S. and a lot of it's spec work that has to be domestic. So I promote the domestic products here from the United States, especially for security projects. Well, first of all, the quality is different. The quality here in the U.S. products is a lot better than the imports, and it's easier to project, to buy material. It's easier to get locally. You can get it quicker, and in import, you got to really forecast, 2 or 3 months ahead of time to bring that product. That's why I usually use domestic, so I can get it quickly. The reason I wanted my sons to get into it is because there's a need for young people to learn the industry, because a lot of the people in this industry are getting older, and there's not really new people coming in.